We are Omax.
Welcome to Omax.
Thank you for coming to help us celebrate our first 20 years. I was one of the developers of high-pressure jet cutting technology some 25 years ago. One of our original goals was making that powerful technology useful for machine and job shops. Hello, I'm Dr. John Olson. I'm proud to tell you that we've now reached that goal with yet another innovation, this one in motion control. The result is the Omax jet machining system.
Well, I've been working in the high-pressure water jet technology area since the early 70s, and I started working with John Olson back in 74, and we always felt that the application of high-pressure water jet to the manufacturing industry is a very good application. However, there was no decent control schemes to control a soft beam like an abrasive water jet until in the early 90s. Dr. Olson developed this motion control scheme and patented it, so we decided to start a company.
I was invited to give a talk at MIT, and at that visit I happened to sit next to Alex Slocum. I explained this idea to him about building the controller, and his response was, "That's a great idea. Let's make a company. I'll provide the conceptual design. You guys write the software."
We started with a very simple goal and mission statement, which is to provide abrasive water jet machining systems to the manufacturing industry and support it with good after-sales service.
We've built an incredibly precise, easy to use, easy to maintain, general purpose water jet.
What makes us different is we put the smarts into the machine. And what that allows is for us to have a beginner operator who can get expert results. We can accept input from pretty much any CAD, CAM, or nesting software that's out there to make parts that are faster and more precise than any other machine.
At Omax now we have probably around a little over 3,000 clients in the world today. And it's much like a family. Particularly the clients that we've had that are startups. We're helping those people meet their dreams. So we've helped them write their business plan. We've helped them get financing, and they bought their first machine, and then suddenly that mushrooms into the second and the third and the fourth. They're incredibly loyal, incredible feedback from them, and it's a lot of fun.
We're a completely integrated company. We build our own controllers, have our own software, build our own tables. Everything is done under the same roof, so the various pieces all talk to each other very nicely.
So Omax is a really exciting place to come to work every day. We have an incredible array of top talent here, a really great technology to work with, and we're moving really fast.
At Omax, we're shaping the future of water jet by changing the shape of water jet. Tubulars, new oil field products, composites for the aerospace industry. Whatever material's coming out, we'll be able to cut it.
So our vision for the future has always been to have a machine in which we can walk up to it and say, essentially, make something that pleases me. And that's not something that we've been able to actually pull off, though we hope to someday. But in the meantime, we're pretty proud of the fact that we've got the software to the point now where we can take in a 3D solid model that's fairly complex and click a big easy button in which it will then generate the tool path, send that out to the machine, and you can be cutting within a matter of minutes.
We want to continue to introduce innovative products to the manufacturing industry, continue to service our customer well, and provide a good, interesting place for our people to work in.
Thanks for coming.